G'day folks, welcome to the show. On today's episode, I'm up at Richardsons Harley Davidson. It's a wet Saturday afternoon and I'm attending the He Rides Talk and Tech Day in the workshop. So we're going to talk all things bike, service and maintenance. Grab yourself a bevy, kick back and enjoy the show. Let's go.
And I'm the dealer principal here at House of Motorcycles, and I do all the marketing events for here in Richardsons Harley Davidson. And we've just wrapped up our Tech Talk workshop. So we do these events to give our customers a direct access to our technicians in the workshop and learn more about their motorcycles. Show people how to pick up their bikes. So we went through and used this one here to show the difference between what happens in a service versus an oil change. Talked about performance work and upgrades. Watch check when you're doing a basic service on your bike, or when you're going for a ride, what you should be doing and things to keep an eye on, and just try and give people the opportunity to ask more about their motorcycles and learn a bit more about it to get some more confidence on the road.